In front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and once you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey with a white padlock. That means that auto rotation is on, because your screen is no longer locked in current orientation, hence the open padlock. Now, to disable auto rotate, use the same shortcut and wait until it turns white with a blue close padlock. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!